Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to tell you the importance of presentation. You can see that some branches, flowers and leaves are lying on the table. Okay, and now look at this vase. Over here flowers, leaves and branches are in a arranged form. Now tell me, which one is looking good? Which one is presentable? Definitely the things which are arranged in a vase, the flowers, the branches, the leaves arranged in a vase are looking more beautiful than these ones. Okay, same rule applies on the presentation of writing. When you write your notes, you must keep these things in your mind. Okay, here I have prepared a page for the good presentation of writing for you, that in which way and how you can write short questions and long questions in your notebook. Here I have prepared a page for the long question for you. First of all, you will draw the margin lines, and you can see this is the double margin line. You can practice it at home and you can do it easily. First, then you will write at the top, you will write the main topic, that is monsoon region. After that you will write long question, because we are going to write long questions, and then the side heading will be long question number 2. What are the different types of human activities found in the monsoon region? This is question number 2. Okay, then you will give the heading, central heading, human activities. After that you are having choice that you will write these 3 headings at the side or in the center. You can do both of things. Okay, so you will write the answer under these 3 headings: agriculture, mining and industrialization. So when you will write in this way, your notes and your page of copy will be presentable and it will look beautiful. Keep in mind that you are not going to write anything beyond the margin line. You will write everything inside these 2 margin lines, because you are in habit of writing question numbers and answer numbers over here. No, from now onwards you are going to write everything inside the margin line. We practice this type of presentation at home and while writing notes of different subjects, because this is also recommended for board exams. And inshallah, if you will practice, definitely till your board classes you will be habitual to write in this way. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.